Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know what you're thinking. Either the box is really big or... No, basically the box is really big. It actually is really big. Let me just turn this around. We all know Amazon's a great company, but let me just flip this over. The delivery drivers, I don't think they got the memo on that part there. So I can actually see the box inside. Look, I can see the PS5 box inside. That's like basically open. No matter. Also, I know this is a really late unboxing. Everyone's already done it, but guess what? We live in the UK and we just got this. This arrived yesterday. So basically this is the earliest that we can unbox it unless you're special and got it early for some reason. I didn't even cut it, it just ripped off. This is basically not sealed. No part of this thing. You guys can't see this, so I'm gonna turn it around and reveal it. Ooh, play like never before. Oh, it's so big, I can't actually see what I'm doing, but I trust that you can see. All right, cool. There you go. Look how big it is. And oh, I noticed the this is basically open, guys. So I don't know how much unboxing we're going to be doing today. Look, that just popped off. And oh, that's also the back side. Sorry, that's the wrong side. Haha. PS5. There's a hole. It's basically a hole. Ooh. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Ah. PlayStation sign. Ooh. And I just fell out straight away. Power cord. Guarantee. Safety guide, because it might blow up. Let's take it. Oh, it's the controller. Let's control stuff. Oh, that actually feels pretty good. I like it more than last year's model. Well, you know, the PS4. I say last year's, I mean 7 years. I don't know how long the PS4's been out. Yeah, this actually, it feels really weighty, really solid. I do like this. Let's take out the beast. It's the most professional unboxing you'll ever see. Oh, this, so heavy. Burglars will come in. You know, forget that, we'll grab something else. Let's grab the fridge. Ooh. It's facing me, so it's the right way for me. It's huge. It's huge. That's all I'm gonna say. It's huge. I like this little laser cut PS logo there. I hope it lights up. Piano black here. I don't like piano black in general because it catches a lot of fingerprints. So this looks like it will be a fingerprint magnet. So 2 USB 3 ports, LAN port, HDMI and power. That's pretty much it. I got another USB port on the front and a Type C. USB port has a little charging symbol on it. So that's obviously for charging the controllers. You got a disk drive. Oh, and they've given a HDMI cable as well. It's got 2 positions. What's that for, your controller?
But you've done a reaction video. What do you mean you wasn't listening?
I wasn't listening to what you say, speaking Japanese.
It was the subtitles.
I don't read. I'm using my nail here. Yeah, you guys at home might want to use screwdrivers. Yeah, that feels pretty stable. Don't mind the rattling. That's pretty stable. All right, cool. Put it down. Yeah, so that's in stand. There's nothing more to say about this. So let's play. Well, we don't actually have any games for the PS5. We bought the PS5, but we don't actually have any games for it. So we'll play Astro's Playroom, which is a free game which shows off the controller and all that other stuff. And let's hope it's as fun as the name implies. We'll see you in game.